Hello everyone. In this video, let us have how to create animated e-certificate. Normally we can prepare e-certificate. So by using Genially, we can prepare interactive and animated e-certificate. How to create this e-certificate? Let us have. So first of all, you have to create account in Genially. In previous video, I have created a video how to prepare account and how to create interactive content. You can see that video. So once you log in the particular login account, so you can go to panel. So once you click go to panel, you can find the your own page. So your edited content will be there. Okay. Now you can click this create genially. If you click create genially, you can find many options. So you can see infographics. So here to click create infographics option. So in this infographics option, you can find many certificate templates. So it's a pre-made templates are available. So we can easily edit your name or your student name. We can edit other options. We can insert logo or picture, anything you can insert here and you can create the certificate, right? So you can also have the preview of this certificate. This is a classic certificate. It's animated classic certificate, and you can see the music certificate. So this is a music certificate. So this is the paid certificate. Okay, and you can have a simple certificate. Yes. So like that, so we can preview the certificates. Now for demo purpose, let me click this education certificate. So if we click education certificate, so you can find this animated template. So if you want to edit your own certificate, you just click here, use this template. When you click use this template, so you will find a page. You can get this page. So this is the workplace where you can edit your own certificate. Here you can find the many options in the website. Okay, so this is the pre-made templates. So this is a education certificate. Now you can edit the text. For example, let me edit the certificate. Certificate of appreciation. Okay, so we can edit. So we can add the name. We can add the certificate student name. Okay, for example, let me add name for demo purpose. You can edit the content. For example, so he has achieved academic excellence in B.Ed course. For demo purpose, I have created this certificate, and you can edit the name of the certificate date. Okay. For example, let me enter the date. So we can insert the logo. Okay, if you want to insert any logo or picture or a photo, whatever you want, you can insert. For example, uh, let me integrate my photo for the certificate. For that, you have to go to click image, and you can find the box like this. Drag your images. So if you click, you can insert the picture from your computer. Just click. So you can select your picture. Yes. So I can place it here. Okay. Once you click, it will be there. So you can resize the photo and you can add it here. Okay. So like that, you can insert any picture. So this is a demo. So I just put demo certificate, and you can insert your signature. Okay, you can also insert the signature, right? So like that you can create, and you have to add some animation for that. For example, if you click this education, and you can find the option here, animation. So there are four options. So last option you can find animation. The animation you can find the right side, you can get the different types of animations. Yes. So you can select this animation. So this is the different type of animations. So you just select this, turn on. Okay. So like that you can select each of the text or text box. Okay, let me select this, and you can go to this animation option. You can right side, you can get the animation features. For example, turn on. If I click turn on, you just click over here, you can get the preview of this animation. See here, it's a focus, it's a bounce back. Okay. I click here, and name. Also you can click animation options, you can get this. Yes, turn on options or swing back. Okay, I just select this one. And for photo also you can get this animation option. Yes, sure option, I can select this option. Okay, so you can go for preview. Okay, if you want to have a preview, at the top right side you can find the option preview. If you click this preview option, yes, you can have a preview of your certificate. So you can simply edit in the pre-made templates. Okay, so you can click edit option. Suppose if you want to edit any more text or picture, you can go to this workplace option, and you can add, if you suppose if you want to add any certificate page, you can also add it. Or if you want to delete, and this is a percentage zoom in and zoom out option, and this is the canvas option. If you click, so you can get the proportion canvas size. So it's a navigation option, standard or video. This is the document colors. Suppose if you want to change the color of the certificate, so if you click, certificate color will be changed. Yes. So like that you can change the certificate color easily. If you want to go back, Control Z. Okay. So simply we can create this animated certificate, right? So you can add a background audio. For paid version you have to add. Okay, otherwise simply you can edit this animation option in this certificate. And for any academic excellence or any academic achievement, so if you want to appreciate the students, you can just enter the student name, and you can use this template. You can share to the students group, so the students will get motivated for their achievement. So by using Genially, we can prepare this animated e-certificate. Hope this video is useful for all. Thank you.